Good morning, Jamaica. Morning, Jamaica. And welcome to Jamrock. This morning, your beautiful Afro-Caribbean queen is going to cook traditional breakfast, chocolate tea. So I've picked this from the cocoa tree and harvested, and now we have some at home. So we're going to cook some plantain as well with it, eggs, and none other than fritters, Jamaican style, guys. This morning is so sunny and beautiful. Thank you so much for liking up my Dokuno video, guys. The love you show me on that video, I'm seeing your comments. You have posted some lovely comments and I appreciate that, guys. We're almost 1K subscribers. So guys, if you're watching this video, hit that subscription button right now. Guys, without further ado, I'm hungry and we're gonna cook some traditional breakfast. Let's go to the fire pit. The spirit of man is the candle of the Lord, searching all the inward parts of the belly. Good morning, guys. We're outside cooking country style breakfast. Here I have my coconut milk, getting ready for my chocolate tea, and my plantain, eggs, and all-purpose flour. Here I have my traditional chocolate that I'll be placing into the coconut milk, and this one is the one that I've picked from the tree and dry it and put it into a bar. So I'll place it into the pot and let it boil until it completely melts, because it don't need to be grated. Now it's time to spice up the pot with nutmeg. I'm grating the nutmeg inside, and we're gonna add salt as well, just a small bit of salt, sugar, of course, vanilla, cinnamon powder that is going to be in our chocolate tea. I'll go ahead and mix and combine everything inside properly, and this is our beautiful rich dark chocolate tea. I'll go ahead and remove it from the fire and set it aside so it can cool, so I can strain it properly. Now it's time to add our frying pan to the fire, and this is going to be used for the majority of the breakfast. So I'll go ahead and add some oil into it and let that heat properly. Now I'll go ahead and prepare the plantain because the oil is hot. Peel them and cut them into thin slices and fry them until they are golden brown. So this is the turning stage where I flip the plantain on the other side to fry until they're beautiful and golden, and the fire is so hot, but I'm outside frying plantain for breakfast. It's time to meet Jamaica's favorite breakfast, and it is none other than the fritters with all-purpose flour, water, and salt. And you can add anything else that you like banana, saltfish, eggs, anything else that you prefer. So I'll go ahead and finish mixing it to combine everything inside, and I will set it aside until my plantain is finished frying. It's jelly time, and you know this have to be a part of the breakfast, so I'll go ahead and cut it and place it into a jar. It's now time to drop some fritters into the hot oil, and I give it a mix and place it immediately into the hot oil so it can fry. And here I have my little guest watching me cooking. She is so excited watching me cooking, even telling me how to do it. So let's cook for the family, guys. I went ahead and turned them because you know they have to fry on both sides to cook properly. And now it's time to drink our fresh coconut water. So here I might turn it into a mason jar, and once all the liquid out of it, then I will go ahead and remove the jelly meat. So I like to heat mine inside of the water, not separate. So you will see me going in with a spoon and removing the jelly meat and placing it inside of the coconut water. Fresh jelly water in the morning is so good. It's now time to fry the eggs, and this is the last thing that we'll be frying before we have breakfast. It's now time to remove the pulp from the cocoa tea or the chocolate tea, and I went ahead and set it aside and let it cool. So here am I using a cheesecloth to squeeze out the liquid. Now I'll place the pot on the fire, guys, and put in all my chocolate tea. Look how beautifully dark brown it is in color. So you know the Countrystyle chocolate is very rich. Go ahead and give it a mix. Back onto the fire, guys, and look how beautifully rich this one is. It's so delicious. This is our breakfast. I'll be sharing it. Chocolate tea goes into the cup. It's now time to eat our breakfast, so I'm going to share it with the family. They are receiving their plate and their teacups. So it's time to eat outside. I'm excited to eat breakfast because you know breakfast is the best meal to start your day with. So here am I just grabbing my teacup, mixing my hot chocolate tea and giving that a sip. This one is very rich. Everybody's enjoying eating outside, country-style breakfast, and here are my two guests. They have been asking to come into my video, so here they are, eating breakfast with me outside, cooking for my family. We are eating under the beautiful morning sun. We'll be finished eating breakfast and setting ourselves up for the morning. Say hello, everybody, like and subscribe.
Hello, everybody, like and subscribe.
Coconut water. This one is so big. It's good when you live in the country. You get everything nice and organic. Look at this big. It's even bigger than my head, guys. So you know, so this is going to be a part of the breakfast. Thank you so very much for watching my video. I'm going to finish dancing with my coconut on my head. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment as well.